With the 4th China International Import Expo or CIIE, slated to take place in Shanghai, Pakistani businessman Habib Ur Rahman spent his day setting up an 18-square-meter booth for the expo. Keeping a close eye on CIIE since the first edition in 2018, the Pakistani businessman hopes to meet new friends and partners. He plans to promote salt lamps, brass handicrafts, blue pottery, carpets, and other Pakistani specialty products at the expo.
这次进博会，我们主要想展示我们三种产品。第一个，而且第一次在进博会展示的喜马拉雅岩等，然后巴基斯坦的手工地毯，然后第三个巴基斯坦的铜漆手工艺，巴基斯坦的手工地毯。偏远的一些地方呀，那边还会有妇女他们在家里面会做的，而且他们家里面做的那个价值更高，因为是独一无二的。
The businessman also has an ambition of launching more customized products for China in the future, including salt lamps with traditional Chinese auspicious patterns. Having lived in Shanghai for more than 10 years, he says China and Pakistan have enjoyed decades-long friendship, and he is willing to serve as a cultural bridge between the two countries.
刚来的时候，我爸一个人到中国来。那么现在我们是3个兄弟，这中巴文化是我们可以做一个桥梁。那么我很乐意的，我们想把我们更多的巴基斯坦的文化，通过巴基斯坦的产品在这边展示出来，让中国人知道我们亚洲国家和巴基斯坦和中国有很多相同的地方。
The CIIE is the first stop for many small and medium enterprises or SMEs to enter the Chinese market. The number of overseas SMEs participating in groups has increased by 30% at this year's expo.